Tinkerella, and I love to tinker and make things. Today, I'm switching hats. Bing! I am so excited because wonderful cafeteria manager Cindy shared a flyer and choo! It is totally a tinkering challenge! Hawaii Child Nutrition Programs is having a contest to create a healthy recipe that could get featured on Hawaii school menus. Oh, looky, cookie!
Oh wow. Me really love healthy food. It tastes so good. We have until February 14th, Valentine's Day, to turn in our recipes.
Our recipe should include one or more of these secret ingredients: kabocha, sweet potato, Asian cabbage, and or local beef. We can go to hirecipes.org to fill out this form. We'll need to write things like a recipe name, pick the local ingredients that we are using, and you need to have a picture ready to upload, as well as either upload a recipe or type in your recipe. What culture is the recipe from? How fun! We can cook as a family or individual. Ooh, I bet we can even dream up a recipe as a class. Let's go cooking! Tutu Tinkerella is not affiliated with contest sponsor and just wants to boost this creative kid cooking experience. Mahalo to Shelly Endo for helping with costume change and cookie voiceover.